So many people have gone above and beyond to help others after last week's winter storms, even people from out of state.
And we appreciate them. As KTK's Rachel Hackbarth is here to explain right now. One brother and sister came all the way from Illinois to give back to some East Texans. Rachel.
Neil and Casey, Samuel and Rachel Wheeler say that they felt a calling to visit small towns all across Texas and to bring them water. Now, this is a delivery that Kilgore police just received from the pair last week. A huge donation, 150 cases of water. Samuel Wheeler says on Thursday night he kept having Texas on his heart, so he called his cousin who lived in Kilgore and asked how things were looking down here in East Texas. After their phone call, he knew he had to come down.
The water pipes burst and we have no water. The stores can't get water because of their frozen roads. So I got on the phone with my boss and I was like, hey, is it any possible way that I can take a couple days off next week and come down?
Wheeler was able to come bring water like this, and he says with the help of Facebook, he received enough donations to pay for the gas needed to make the 12-hour trip. The water was donated by Wheeler's previous employer, RN&J Distribution. It was delivered by Kilgore Police and given to seniors who couldn't leave their homes at the time. Reporting live in the studio, Rachel Hackbarth, KT.